And now let me introduce today's presenters, who are the co-authors of the just-released 2014 edition of the often referenced Change Orders, Productivity, Overtime. Dr. William Ibbs is a professor and a group leader of the Construction Management Program in the Civil Engineering Department at the University of California at Berkeley. We also have Paul Stinstrom, who has served the construction industry since 1984 as an expert in CPM scheduling, construction management, contract administration, and labor productivity.
And good afternoon, everybody. I appreciate you joining us once again. Just as a bit of background, Paul and I have many decades of experience in design and construction projects, and it's our observation that this whole subject of loss of productivity, disruption changes, cumulative impact changes, is really a growing trend, a growing and important and expensive trend that you're seeing arise in the construction industry. So what we're going to do today is talk about loss of productivity claims, whether they are craft labor, construction labor productivity problems, or even design and staff level productivity issues. I will be putting particular emphasis today on the subject of identifying and measuring productivity disputes, productivity problems on construction projects. So here's our agenda today. After some preliminaries, we'll really go into some of the fundamentals of productivity-related problems. So I start off by covering some of the ABCs, if you will, some of the elementary aspects associated with productivity. I'll lay the foundation for the first 15 minutes, and then I'll go into some of the issues associated with how the courts and triers of fact, whether they're arbitrators or mediators or neutrals, how they see productivity-related issues. All of that will be presented under the framework of how do you identify and when can you identify productivity types of problems. And then we'll move into the other half of the topic, today's topic, how do you measure loss of productivity damages, and you know, what are the different methods that are available, and what's the relative reliability and credibility of those different methodologies that are available.